Hola, I'm Mel from Big Green Landscaping. Today we are here in Campbells Bay to show you this beautiful garden renovation. Originally it was pretty much an empty garden bed, so they wanted to create a beautiful garden all year long. As landscape gardeners, we know that building healthy soil is the key for the success. The first step was prepare the garden bed for the new plantings. We bring garden mix into the holes along with gypsum, bladderbone and sheet pellets. We select bark mulch for this project because of the large potokawa tree at the back, so the color of this bark mulch is perfect for matching with the leaves. The cherry on the top was the corten steel planters. It's a great spot for this family with young kids to enjoy sun gardening together. We levered the area using Cap 20, creating a good base. On top of that, we lay in the Waikato Fleck, giving a really natural finish. I like to work with Central Landscape Supplies because you can get a good range of quality products for any landscaping project, and they have a friendly team, easy to deal with, and their drivers are always arriving on time, making our job easier. Do you need help renovating or maintaining your garden? Just give us a call. Big Green Landscaping, we are here to help.